But a lot of the language that we use with addiction actually subtly and not so subtly worsens stigma. And sometimes it sounds like I'm being politically correct or it's like an issue of semantics, but there's actually really good data on this. So if you think about words we use for addiction, one is substance abuse,
Mhm.
right? So the term abuse, what does abuse refer to? So it actually comes from an Old English word that means like a willful act of misconduct. And it's a word that we use for child abuse, for sexual abuse, for domestic abuse. Like it's only for these like terribly violent acts of commission that are very stigmatized because they're like terrible things. And yet we use it for this thing that we're saying is a health condition, that you're like a substance abuser or you have substance abuse. And so there have actually been these elegant studies that took like PhD level psychologists, really highly trained clinicians, and they described a person as either a substance abuser or as a person with a substance use disorder. And the clinician was actually more likely to recommend a punitive intervention for the person described as a substance abuser.